What if your crypto could work for you, even while you sleep? That's exactly what staking makes possible. And in 2026, it's one of the most popular ways everyday investors are earning passive income from crypto. No trading, no charts, no stress. Just your coins, quietly earning rewards. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how staking works, which coins are worth staking, and how to get started today, even if you've never staked before. So, what is staking exactly? To understand staking, you need to know how blockchains stay secure. Older blockchains like Bitcoin use proof of work, where miners compete using computing power to validate transactions. It's energy intensive, it's expensive. Newer blockchains use proof of stake. Instead of mining, validators lock up their coins as a guarantee of good behavior and earn rewards for doing so. When you stake your crypto, you're participating in that process, and the blockchain pays you for it. Think of it like a high-yield savings account, except instead of a bank paying you interest, the blockchain itself is paying you, directly. How much can you realistically earn? Here are current estimates for 2026's most popular staking options. Ethereum pays around 3 to 4% annually, Solana closer to 6 to 8%, Cardano around 3 to 5%, Polkadot up to 14%, though it comes with a longer lockup period. One critical thing to understand, these yields are paid in the staked coin itself, not in dollars. So if the coin's price drops, the dollar value of your rewards drops too. Always keep that in mind. 2 ways to stake: custodial and non-custodial. Option A is custodial staking. This is the easiest option, and the one I recommend for most beginners. You simply buy crypto on an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken, navigate to their staking section, and click Stake. The platform handles everything. The trade-off? The exchange holds your crypto on your behalf. You're trusting the platform. Use regulated, well-established names only. Option B is non-custodial staking. Here, you stake directly from your own wallet, no exchange involved. Platforms like Lido and Rocket Pool let you stake any amount of Ethereum without the 32 ETH minimum that direct staking requires. You keep control of your private keys. The blockchain, not a company, is processing your stake. Now, let's walk through exactly how to start. Step 1. Create a Coinbase account. Go to coinbase.com, sign up, and complete identity verification. Step 2. Buy your chosen crypto. ETH, SOL, or ADA are the best starting points. Use bank transfer. The fees are lower. Step 3. Navigate to earn. In the Coinbase app, find the Earn section. You'll see available coins and current yields. Step 4. Stake your coins. Select the amount and confirm. Coinbase handles the rest from here. Step 5. Monitor your rewards. Check in weekly or monthly. Rewards compound automatically in your balance. Before you stake, understand these risks. Risk 1. Price risk. This is your biggest exposure. If ETH drops 30%, your staking rewards won't offset that loss. Only stake assets you believe in long term. Risk 2. Lockup risk. Some coins have unbonding periods, 7 to 21 days where you can't access your funds. Check the terms before you stake. Risk 3. Platform risk. If an exchange goes under, your staked funds could be at risk. Stick to regulated platforms. And risk 4. Don't chase high yields. A protocol offering 50% annually is almost always a red flag. Stick to established coins and established platforms. So, is staking worth it for beginners? If you're planning to hold crypto long-term anyway, and most beginners should be, then staking is a no-brainer. You're getting paid to do what you were already going to do: hold. Start small, understand the risks, and let compounding do its quiet work. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Crypto Insight for weekly updates. And visit crypto-insight.net for the full written guide, with step-by-step breakdowns and everything we covered today in detail. The link is in the description. See you in the next one.